Mhlonishwa Honorable Maiwan.
Siyabonga mhlonishwa speaker sivusele indlu. Mina speaker ngichamke Maiwan, I would say this type of leadership sebayichazile bahlonishwa mina vele ungaze Maiwan ngibona ngathi siyenda prime minister abe controversial prime minister. Ngishiso yini speaker lo? Kulamalanga nje prime minister ubusy la kuma podcast in everywhere. And once wavula umlomo wakhe prime minister, something bad will come out from his mouth. Ngishiso yini lokho speaker? Uthi titolo kule disruptive emaswati akaqabanga. Washo kule disruptive. Wabuya wathi umhlonishwa Ndvunankhulu ubathi uyabuka le infrastructure uyayibuka uyathi buta usilabantu bebenda lento le bayaphila yini. Kusho umhlonishwa Ndvunankhulu. Nini speaker uvela publicly ubeka ilokwanjanisa leyo hlola lapha eTLC bayakhala abantu to everyone bayakhala. Uyafika umhlonishwa Ndvunankhulu a whole prime minister ufike uthi lapha elu commission emaswati anika umjovo wetilwane. A prime minister utshela without facts asisho ukuthi kukahle usato sihlolela asibisele report but so concludeile disruptive leadership se concludekile ukuthi lapha vele noma ungahlola ukhanzela utawukhanda si lapha emaswati lamaswati laphile lapha namhlanje wathi ukuthi thina saphila ngemjovo wetiji noma wetilwane. Kusho prime minister should be in this country to reassure everyone ukuthi noma kunje kutawulunga kude liqale ukuthi manje lena sitayisebenta. So ngithi ke mina mhlonishwa speaker angiyithandi le disruptive uma ita ngalendlela umhlonishwa Ndvunankhulu leta ngayo. Mhlambe nangathi to keep quiet and allow mhlambe the ministers to talk about their ministries because let me tsinza ema-ministry but gokonke ufuna ukuthi phendulele uthi lapha kulento leya si lo unkhuluma nje mina la kusho ukuthi ambassador wase-Taiwan utawe eMaiwan mix rice kusho prime minister utshela umhlaba uthi sinikwe ama-rice ngekukhuluma. When we are here to talk and we get paid to talk but umhlonishwa Ndvunankhulu if you talk uthi yena sicele bobani banyana mina speaker I for one kude nje bayaphathisa emaswati ngikhuluma le ngiphathisa kude nje umuntu ongangibitele ekoneni athi khuluma kabi ngemhlonishwa Ndvunankhulu o ngemhlonishwa abantu I speak my mind and that of the people of Maiwan and angingeke ama-rice ngekukhuluma na udecide angiphi rice yakho yangiphi na ungafunayo futhi ihlala nayo ngiyingcenge. So ke speaker ngicabanga ukuthi lokukhuluma le ngaphandle sasinasifika la speak wathi umhlonishwa Ndvunankhulu akatijwayede kude la parliament atokhuluma tindzaba la parliament sitokhona kumsekela but each time tambona sohlete emakoneni sokhuluma kabi ngebahlonishwa sokhuluma kabi everybody. Mina lengakuphathisa speaker umhlonishwa Ndvunankhulu he must not burn all the bridges asale mbili because he will need them nakabuya nyalo konke la kakhona khona abhidlile icabinet ayivani ihliphikile kuna Ndvunankhulu laqatha ijudicial kumele baleni ukuthi naye abavani nayo iparliament ayihliphile utawubalekela kubani nale disruptive yakhe if everybody is burning all bridges nje la khona. Grade 0 bothishela kude there is no political will wekuthi kube kufaka grade 0 kuqashwe bothishela so long le disruptive bothishela are working under contracts for 20 years kude liplan lesilivako lapha kokuthi kutawulungiswa njani letinto leti. So mina speaker angisupport the disruptive will ikakhulu nayita ngalihlobo lweni or at least I would say I'm still waiting to be convinced because as things stands Ndvunankhulu I'm the villain now mhlonishwa speaker I think he can do better than this. For now this leadership is making him to be a controversial prime minister and he can do better speak. Ngiyabonga.